Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well today. Today we are going to be taking another tour, but this tour, this new construction home, it is not the model. So what you're going to be seeing is you're going to be seeing as a new home builder, you're going to see what your home will actually look like throughout the process. This home is scheduled to close next month, so they are about 90 to 95% completed. So I wanted to take you on this beautiful tour. The builder of this home is Pulte, and they have this wonderful community right off of Westheimer and Dunville, which is one of the main strips in Houston, Texas. It's conveniently located to downtown, to the medical center, West Park Toll, Beltway, so it's easy access to everything you need. Now this community is called Briarmont. This home behind me, it is very tall. It is a 3-story, 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, and 2 half bath home. It is a little over 2,200 square feet, and the listing price right now is a little over $400,000. So we're going to take a quick tour of this beautiful home. Oh, and by the way, I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Also, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new notifications. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this beautiful Pulte home that is located in Briarmont, right in the city of Houston. Now, like I said, this home is still under construction. It's almost complete. It's closing next month. So before the buyers sign the final contract to become the owners of the home, they will have this house in top-notch shape. It's going to look like a brand new dust-free home ready to be moved into. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Now, if you have any kind of comments or questions, please leave them below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And if you have not already done so, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can see the next home tour that I'm going to do. You all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.